Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something super exciting to talk about. The all-new 2025 Ford Maverick Lobo. If you're a fan of the street truck scene, or just love seeing what the latest and greatest in automotive design looks like, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. Remember the golden era of lowered trucks from the mid-1980s to the early 2000s? Well, Ford's bringing that vibe back with the Maverick Lobo. Inspired by Maverick customers who are already personalizing their trucks for performance, Ford decided to give them an official canvas to work with. The Lobo is all about street performance, complementing the off-road ruggedness of the Maverick Tremor and the efficiency of the Maverick Hybrid. This story begins with Maverick designer Josh Blundo, who joined Ford in 2019. When he saw the clay model of the Maverick, he immediately saw its potential for a performance street truck. Blundo started tweaking it with a wide body, wings, front splitter, and custom wheels. His vision caught the attention of Tucci hot rods, leading to a special build that wowed crowds at the 2021 SEMA show. Fast forward a bit, and Blundo, along with engineers like Keith Doherty, got the green light to turn this vision into reality. So what makes the Maverick Lobo special? For starters, it's got a lowered ride height, half an inch lower in the front, and 1.12 inches lower in the rear compared to the standard Maverick. The roof height is also reduced by 0.8 inches. It's all about that sleek, aggressive stance. Under the hood, the Lobo packs a 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine, tested to built Ford tough standards and backed by a factory warranty. The performance-tuned suspension, steering, and the twin-clutch rear drive unit, borrowed from the Bronco Sport, make this truck drive more like a performance car. And let's not forget those dual-piston front brake calipers from the Focus ST, ensuring you've got the stopping power to match the speed. For those who love autocross and drifting, the Maverick Lobo introduces the Lobo mode. This drive mode enhances cornering performance, grip, and stability, reducing understeer and making it perfect for closed courses. It activates the truck's torque vectoring while dialing back the stability control. Think of it as the Maverick's answer to the Mustang's track mode. The Maverick Lobo isn't just about performance, it's a style icon too. With a unique front fascia, painted rear bumper, rocker moldings, and 19-inch black wheels, it's got a distinctive look. The interior takes inspiration from street art and athletic shoes, featuring grabber blue and electric lime accent stitching, graffiti-inspired overprints on the seats, and the Lobo name embossed into the seats. Ford keeps it simple with two configurations: Standard and High. The standard configuration is packed with all the performance goodies we mentioned. The high configuration adds extra comforts like heated seats, a heated steering wheel, Ford Copilot 362.0 driver assist technologies, a 360-degree camera, spray-in bed liners, a moonroof, and, coming in early 2025, Pro Trailer Hitch Assist and Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Ordering for the 2025 Maverick Lobo kicks off on August 1st, with delivery starting in early 2025. If you're eyeing the high configuration, there will be a bit of a wait, but it'll be worth it. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. What do you think of the new Maverick Lobo? Are you excited to see this street truck hit the road? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you next time.